Seiko's collaboration pieces pile up with the new Seiko 5 SRPF93K. This model comes in a really nice box that exudes quality. On this piece we have a leather strap which goes really well with the creamy dial. It's an automatic with 41 hours of battery reserve. The case is made of stainless steel and has a diameter of 42.5 millimeters. Limited to just 1,500 pieces worldwide, this piece won't be available for long, so if you like it, you better snap it up. The exhibition case back is a nice touch, and you can see the Evisen Skateboards logo on the back and at the 12 o'clock marker. The hour markers are shaped as hexagons, which remind me of the bolts on skateboard trucks. Remember, this piece is limited, and when it's sold out, it's gone. So if you want it, follow the link in the description. If it's sold out by the time you watch this video, we have plenty more Seiko 5s ready to ship out to your doorstep. Just visit shields.com.au and start shopping.